3+1 product installation video. This is the switchboard. We are going to install 3+1 product. First, open the switchboard. Unscrew the switchboard. Before opening switchboard, turn off the MCB. First, identify line and neutral wire in the switchboard. So this is the supply wire is in red color and neutral is in black color. That's a common indication. In the switchboard, first check the fan connection. So in this switchboard, the fan is connected to through the regulator, and the loads are connected to the remaining switches. And in 3+1 product, we should connect the fan to the first node only. Remove the load connections. And connect the manual cables in place of load connections. Manual cable series is black, brown, red, orange. After connecting the manual cables, we will connect a fan regulator. First, remove the existing fan regulator connections. Open the fan regulator. Replace the fan regulator with port regulator. Connect the fan regulator. To the connector which is given to the product. Close the fan regulator top cover. Insert the fan regulator in the previous position. Now connect the loads to the product. 1 is always fan, 2, 3, 4 are connected to the loads as per the manual switch connections. After connecting the loads, connect neutral and live to the product. After connecting the neutral and live to the product, please verify all the connections. Fan regulator should connect to the port fan regulator, and the manual cable sequence is black, brown, red, orange is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's connected to the loads. The previous loads sequence as per the manual switches are connected to the product. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is always fan, 2, 3, 4 are light or heavy loads. After re-verify all the connections, close the switchboard. Close the switchboard properly. Now the installation is completed.